Happy holidays, fam. Today I'll be taking you all on a walking tour of the Unity Christmas Park here in Enugu. So I know different cities have been coming up with their Christmas village, they've been coming up with their Christmas park, and we've been seeing many lovely decorations from different states, even southeastern states. So today we decided to bring to you and show you what the Christmas park here in Enugu looks like. So we decided to take the kids along with us, and this video was actually shot 2 days to Christmas. So this video was shot on the 23rd. We decided to just visit. So in this video we'll basically be showing you what this place looks like, activity you can take part in here, what it cost us to enter, and everything you need to know about this park. So once again, let me welcome you to Unity Christmas Park here in Enugu. So this place is a park. Normally that's like Unity Park. It's just opposite Opera Square, and this area is a very popular place in Enugu. This is more like the heart of town. Is like one of the most popular places. The ICC is just close by. Para Square is just opposite us. The ICC hotel is close by. The government house is very close. So this is a park. We have various videos on the park on a normal, what it looks like on a normal day, but now because of the Christmas celebrations, the whole place looks transformed. Christmas lights everywhere. Like, we visited here with my mom, and my mom kept on asking, she wonders how many lights were used to light up this whole park. Many of the trees were decorated with Christmas lights, pavements decorated with Christmas lights, and most importantly, there are so many places you can take pictures here. Like, we didn't even get to video all of them. There are so many positions. So if you know anybody living in Enugu that has been uploading pictures that is giving Paris vibe, though, they just might be taking those pictures here in Enugu. So it's really beautiful, especially for kids, and if you are just looking for somewhere to come and relax. Now this is a new addition in the park, because we didn't used to have like a sit out spot or where they play music and all of that, but this year they decided to add that, which I think is also a good idea. So here they sell drinks, and there are chairs where you can sit out, and then there's music playing. You can see me now vibing to the music because now we get this season. So it's a new addition, and I think it's really cool. If you just want to hang out with your friends, you can sit down, take drinks and all of that. But normally, if you are visiting Unity Park, you can come in with your drinks and you can come in with your food, but it's a good thing that this is made available here. So for people that just want to relax, or instead of going to a lounge, you can as well come here and just basically enjoy the environment here. Now for gate fee, it cost us 3,000 naira per person to come into this place. So 3,000 for adults, then for kids 2,000 naira. So that was the gate fee. On a normal day, when there are no holidays or celebrations like this, it costs 1,000 naira each to come into the park. But now, because of the Christmas celebration and holidays, for adults 3,000, and then for kids 2,000 naira. But that's for kids above 3 years. So for kids below 3 years, like our little two boys, we didn't get to pay for them. It was just the senior son we got to pay for. And yes, you can see a train ride here. These are the train ride is for another amount. I think you pay additional 2,000 or so to get, 2,000 naira to get on the, either 2,000 or 1,500, please permit my memory, but it's around that to get on the train ride. And then there's a mini train also. The mini train cost 1,000 naira, but when we asked about the mini train, they said it wasn't here yet, so it was just this one. And since we've got on that train at Polo Park few days ago, we decided to just skip that. So if you are interested, that's also one additional activity you can do here in Unity Park when you visit. I will be spotlighting some more to you as we go forward, of which one of them is also to see Santa. Yes, so we learned that Santa is available and Santa is here in Enugu. So if you want to see Santa, I think that cost about 2,000 naira to see Santa, but we decided to make a different date with Santa. So Santa, no props, will be coming back for you. So there's like this huge puzzle on the wall, and then a picture of governor, his wife, and then the tourism chairman here in Enugu. So there are lots of banner decorations and it's really beautiful here. Guys, we would really love to know, have you visited the Unity Christmas Park? Like, if you reside in Enugu, have you visited, or did you visit last year? Let me know, what do you think? Are there changes? Is it better? Because last year we didn't get to come in, we just did drive through, but this year we're like, okay, let's really come inside and let's see what the inside looks like. So let me know if you visited here before. Is this how it is there any difference, or just share your thoughts with us. And if it's your first time watching our videos, your first time coming across any of our videos, let me specially welcome you to Allen TV. Of course, we're your favorite travel family. Please make sure you click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, because we bet you don't want to miss out on any of our videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. We really appreciate your love, and we're wishing you happy holidays from this side. So here also there's a Christmas, a children park, yes, a children playground. Okay, yes, that's the word, a children playground here in Christmas in Unity Park. That's the Christmas Unity Park. There's a children playground, but when we came in, they said they were still setting it up. We couldn't touch the swing or anything because the concrete is not yet strong. They're still trying to set it up. And I was really disappointed that on the 23rd, just 2 days to Christmas, you are still trying to set up. So I don't understand. I feel like this is something that should have even been up since the first week, if possible, before even the 1st of December, because now you are charging us and then we can't even see the extra activity you are charging us for aside the light. So looking at that setup there, it seems like there are going to be lots of swings and all of that could really keep children excited. And funny enough, that was one of the attractions for me, because even when I was handed the handbill at the gate, I saw that, oh, there's a children playground, only for me to come in after paying and seeing that, oh, they are still trying to construct and all of that. But if you are watching this video now, I'm 90% sure that everything should be up and running at this time, because it's almost New Year celebration, so you can do well to check it out. You can see our huge lion sculpture has been decorated with lights and is looking really pretty. So if you ask me for my personal opinion, if you ask me if the Christmas park in Enugu is worth visiting, I would say yes and no. So I feel at the end of the day, it just depends on what you want to achieve. For me, because I had kids and they are boys, they like running around, they run around all the trees in between the lights. You can tell they had a great time. Personally, I feel like a lot more can be added to just spice it up more, so you don't just come and walk around. At least 1 or 2 more activities would be introduced, and that would make it better. For example, last year, I know driving past, I spotted a bouncing castle and there was like this virtual game in it, but this year I didn't get to see any of that. So let me just know what you think about this place and if you would be visiting. If you enjoyed watching this video and you are not yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, and I'll catch you all in our next video. Bye.